How to fix unable to install app. Whenever you try to install app and it says please try again later, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. For that, first of all launch your settings on your device. Then go through the general and hit on software update and make sure that your system is up to date. If there is new update available, then simply hit on the update now and update your system. Then go back to the general homepage and there you will see VPN and device management. Make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Then go back to the settings. Then hit on screen time. From here scroll down and select content and privacy restrictions and toggle on it. Then go through the iTunes and App Store purchases. From here, make sure that installing apps is allowed. Once you check all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.